For Caitlin France, the sight of water that seemingly came out of nowhere is hard to forget.
First of all, I noticed that there was just debris all up and down the street. And I was like, what is going on? And I got here and I think we probably had 2 feet of water in the basement. Everything was floating.
Fortunately, the Mount Lookout shop where France works as head pastry chef, Sweet Hunter, recovered fairly quickly thanks to insurance.
Luckily, but that's because it didn't hit the first floor. If it had hit this level, then somehow we would not have been covered.
What's covered and what's not when water, specifically a sewage backup, floods a home or business has been at the heart of a 7-year legal battle decided by Ohio's Supreme Court today. A cleanup company in Akron wanted the court to force a bar's insurance company to pay $63,000 in cleanup costs for a sewer backup, arguing the bar's policy contained language that was too ambiguous. The state's top court sided with the insurance company. France is not surprised at the outcome or that the case took so long to be resolved.
I had some friends in Indiana. They had a sewage flood. It backed up and it flooded their apartment probably a foot.
France says her friend's case languished in court for 11 years because of a dispute over who was responsible.
And they ended up losing a lot of money just fighting all of that and, of course, having to get it cleaned up.
Today's ruling means if you own a house or a business, it really is important to know exactly what's in your policy. If you do know what's covered and what's not covered, well, that can certainly help you keep money from going down the drain. Reporting live tonight in Mount Lookout, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.
Now, Todd, this decision seems pretty narrow about just this bar, but the justices were clear about how far-reaching this could be because of how many people have clauses in their insurance about flood damage specifically.
Yeah, you're right, Stephen. In today's ruling, one justice wrote the following. It was the first time the court was asked to, quote, interpret a provision that is found in just about every commercial and personal property insurance policy issued in Ohio. That was the statement by one of the justices. It's a good reminder, again, for everyone to know what's in their policy because ultimately it is the responsibility of a homeowner or a business owner to know what the policy says. Stephen?
Yeah, so know what could happen and check your policy to make sure you're covered for if that were to happen. Todd, thank you so much. Live for us out at Mount Lookout.